Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Monday. Hope you all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Yes. And this video specially for Vijayadasami admission students. Okay, students, let's start the class. Are you all happy? Today, we have to recall that. Yay! It is capital letter A. It is small letter A. Right? A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B. Capital letter B and small letter B. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. And C. Capital letter C and small letter C. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next, D. D. Capital letter D and small letter D. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. Next, E. Capital letter E and small letter E. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Next, F. Capital letter F and small letter F. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Then G. Capital letter G and small letter G. Grapes. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Then H. Capital letter H and small letter H. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Next one. This is capital letter I and this one is small letter I. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Next one is J. Capital letter J and this one is small letter J. Joker. J-O-K-E-R. J for joker. Then K. Capital letter K and small letter K. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K for kite. Then line. Capital letter L and small letter L. L for line. L-I-O-N. Line. Next, M. Capital letter M and small letter M. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. And N. Capital letter N and small letter N. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Next one is O. Capital letter O and small letter O. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And then P. P. This one is capital letter P and small letter P. Parrot. P-A R-R-O-T, parrot. P for parrot. And then Q. This one is capital letter Q and this one is small letter Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Then R. Capital letter R and small letter R. R for rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Okay, students. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. And then S. Capital letter S and small letter S. S for ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Top. Here T. Capital letter T and small letter T. T for top. T-O-P, top. U. Capital letter U and small letter U. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And then V. Capital letter V and small letter V. Van. V for van. V-A-N, van. And W. Capital letter W and small letter W. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. And X. Capital letter X and small letter X. X for Xmas tree. X-M-A-S, Xmas tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Then Y. Capital letter Y and small letter Y. Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. And finally Z. Capital letter Z and small letter Z. Z for zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. S T U V W X Y Z. Yes. And then circle the correct letters in each picture. Before that, we have to use capital letter in after the full stop, and we have to start our name at first letter. We have to use capital letter. Okay, students? And circle the correct letters in each picture. Here they give so many pictures for us. We have to find the picture name and they give the first letter of some things. So we have to correctly find out that letter. Okay, students? First, see this picture. What it is? It is an apple. It is an apple. So, which one is the first letter of apple? The first letter of apple is A. So, we have to circle the letter A. And second picture is an elephant. It is an elephant, right? What is the first letter of elephant? E. Yes. The first letter of elephant is E. So we have to circle the letter E. And then what it is? See this picture? It is an ice cream, right? So what is the first letter of ice cream? First letter of ice cream is I. So we have to circle the letter I. And see this picture. What it is? What animal it is? It is lion. It is a lion. What is the first letter of lion? L. The first letter of lion is L. So we have to circle the letter L. And what is the bird? It is a parrot. It is a parrot. So what is the first letter of parrot? It is P. So we have to circle the letter P, parrot. And see this picture, what it is. In early morning we have to see this, right? It is sun. It is sun. First letter of sun is S. So we have to circle yes. And what is the animal it is? It is yak. Yak, right? So what is the first letter of yak? That is Y. So we have to circle Y. And then what it is? It is kite. What is the first letter of kite? It is K. So we have to circle the letter K. And then see this picture. What it is? It is onion. It is onion. So what is the first letter of onion? O. Yes. So we have to circle the letter O. And then what it is? It is monkey, right? What is the first letter of monkey? That is M. So we have to circle M. And what is the picture? It is balloon. What is the first letter of balloon? B. And then what is the picture? It is wheel. What it is? It is wheel. What is the first letter of wheel? W. So we have to circle the letter W. And then phonic drill. And then phonic drill. Here we see the sounds of A sound. A sound. It is see A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are vowel letters. See A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowels letter. These letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowels in English. Now we have to see the sounds of vowels letter. A, E, I, O, U. Phonic drill. A. First we have to see the A sound. A sound. See? Cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Cat, bat. Then mat, M-A-T, mat. Rat, R-A-T, rat. And then can, C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. V-A-N, van. Cat, bat, mat, rat, can, fan, man, van. Yes. And then second sound is E. E. Den, den. D-E-N, den. Bed, B-E-D, bed. Hen, H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Red, R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Leg, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Ten, T-E-N, ten. Jet, J-E-T, jet. Jet, J-E-T, jet. See, cat, C-A-T, cat. Can, C-A-N, can. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Mat, M-A-T, mat. Man, M-A-N, man. Rat, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Van, V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. Den, D-E-N, den. B-E-D, bed. H-E-N, hen. R-E-D, red. P-E-N, pen. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, students, you have to read it again and again. If you had any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, students, keep safe at your home. Thank you, students. Have a joyful day. Thank you.